Kalorki, ini-endorso ni Janine na clothing brand. Inokray ng netizens. Poor quality nga ba? Umani ng samot-saring batikos ang clothing brand ng Bench sa social media mula sa ilang netizens. Inireklamo kasi ng isang netizen ang quality at presyo ng damit na ibinebenta ng kumpanya ng sikat na businessman na si Ben Chan. Bunsod na rin ng bonggang fashion show ng Bench, kaya nag-react at nag-post ang isang netizen na hindi satisfied sa clothing brand. Ayon sa post, Bench campaigning themselves as a local brand that focuses more on celebrity endorsement than improving their overpriced, subpar quality products. Nirepost ng isa pang netizen ang komento na ito sa X, dating Twitter. Caption niya, ha 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 ha, so true, I don't buy Bench. The products may be a bit cheaper than some brands. But if you look at the quality of the cloth, design, sizing standards, craftsmanship, you'd realize they're actually a bit overpriced. You don't really need to look for the reasons. Just look at its celebrity endorsers who they pay in millions. You like Bench because you feel like a celebrity too. Admit it. But do these endorsers actually use what they wear on the billboards? May nag-comment sa post kung aware kaya ang mga celebrity endorsers ng Bench sa quality ng produkto nila. Are the celebs aware that the products they endorse are of low quality? In love emoji. They couldn't care less. It's the talent fee they care about. OMG, Pinoy celebs have no integrity. Shocker. Nalorke naman kami at may mga ganitong hanas pala ang mga netizens laban sa Bench. Samantala, isa naman si Janine Gutierrez sa endorser ng naturang clothing brand, kung saan pak na pak at nangabog nga sa show ng Bench para sa Body of Work na naganap last March 21, 2025 sa SM MOA Arena. By the way, kung may ganitong issue, dapat tinututukan din ng mismong may-ari ng company ang mga naoobserbahan ng mga netizens. Kung nagustuhan nyo ang video na ito, comment down below.